Hello, I'm so excited to do this quick series for our new summer launch products. I am loving the products and I'm so excited to show them to you. First one's actually the Tool, this super adorable heart-shaped liquid foundation brush. I just pulled this one out of the package, so it still has you can see where it was pinched shut. There's my foundation. But it's a heart-shaped, it's decently dense bristles, not as thick as our blending brush, but kind of just like our other liquid foundation brush, but it's cuter. It has a nicer, wider handle, easier to grip, and it's heart-shaped. Who doesn't love that? So I'm actually just going to do my foundation real quick. I already have primer on. Actually, I put it on several hours ago, but here we are. So I do like to just kind of stipple my foundation on first. Some people like to use their fingers, just pat it on or swipe it on, whatever. I use the brush. I don't put foundation straight on the bristles because that tends to absorb too much makeup into the bristles themselves. So there's a hair that's sticking on my cheek here. So anyway, just kind of spread my product around. It feels good. It's so soft. I'm gonna buff it into my skin. And I may have put on a little too much, but that's okay. Little goes a long way with Mary Kay products. You guys probably know that by now. I do put it over my eyes because I tend to have really red eyes. Very translucent eyelids, so you see all of my red and purple blood veins and vessels. And okay, so this is only half my face, but you can tell it's super nice and smooth coverage, right? Oh, it feels so nice on my skin. I have a tendency to hold my brushes up close. You can absolutely hold them further away. It's kind of a lighter, more light-handed application if you hold it lighter away. But yeah, it's feeling good. So, simple video. This is just our new heart-shaped brush. This is a gift with purchase, or excuse me, purchase with a purchase. You do have to buy a liquid foundation, a TimeWise foundation, in order to get this brush. That unlocks your ability to purchase it. It's super cheap once you do have the foundation, but you can't get it without a foundation. So if you're running low, now's the time to stock up on your foundation so that you can get this super cute brush. It feels good. It feels like it's gonna last a long time. It's very sturdy and durable. The bristles are oh so soft, but as you can tell, they're doing a great job applying the product and smoothing it out. So yeah, I'd say reorder your foundation and get yourself one of these super cute bad boys while you can. Or girls, I don't know. It's pink and it's heart-shaped. It's adorable. Okay, I'm going to finish my makeup here. But that is all I wanted to show you for this first video. It's just this awesome foundation brush that you can get with the purchase of a TimeWise liquid foundation. Whether it's matte or luminous, doesn't matter, as long as it's a liquid foundation. Alright, see you later.